At times you might want to have 3 statements inside an if, and that is only possible if you know about the else if statement. So I will quickly do a save as here, and this will be if else if .php. Now we'll still work on this. This will be very brief. Now on this, we're going to add another statement. We'll change this to else if, and here we'll have an else, final else. This will be else echo this is nice. Okay, now but before then we'll have to do something. Now this will be, let's remove this. If A is greater than B, echo this is the first connective. Else if B, or let's say if A is less than B, echo this is not true. Okay, then else, that is if this is not true and this is not true, then echo this. As simple as it is. Okay, now let's see what that's going to give us. Now refresh that and we'll have this is not true. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change this to if else if .php, and I'm quickly going to remove all of this. I'm quickly going to remove this one also, and here it will be if else if. Okay, so here we'll have only the statements below. So let's refresh and see. Now this is the first connective. Now that one is for this, and I'm going to delete it. Let's focus on one. Okay, so on refresh you see this is not true. Now when you go back to the code, you discover that A is less than B. That's why it echoed the second statement right here. Okay, now let's say this is the equal to, let's save that and see. Then it pushes you down to the next statement, which says this is nice. That means the first statement is not true, the second one is not true, then it echoed the final else statement. Now that's how an if else if statement works. The next we're going to be looking at switch statements.